How to enable or disable spam protection on Google Messages. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can enable or disable spam protection on messages. So let's go into the tutorial. The first thing to do is to ensure that you have the Google Messages installed on your mobile device. And the second thing is to ensure that you are currently using the latest version of Google Messages. Then once you've met all of those requirements, the next thing for you to do is to click on the app to open it up. Then once you've opened up the app, the next thing for you to do is to move to the top part of the screen, the top right corner of the screen to be precise, where you'll see your profile icon. Ensure you click on it. Then once you click on it, a box will be displayed showcasing a Google account archived, spam and blocked, mark all as well, device pairing, your data in messages settings, help and feedback. Now at this point, I must let you know that for you to be able to see some of these options here, you have to ensure you're using the updated version. So go to your Play Store, check if there's a latest updated version of Google messages, and then update the app before you carry out this activity. Then once you're done, click on the messages settings, then general settings, and then once you're on general settings page, you'll see some options. Scroll down and select spam protection. Then currently my spam protection is enabled, but if you want to disable this, just tap on it and then it will be disabled automatically. But then if you want to enable it, tap on it as well and then it will be enabled automatically. It is that simple. Okay, so go ahead and enable or disable that spam protection today. Thanks for watching.